intel remains available as surveillance extends through interconnected facilities. Restrictions overlap, but procedural approval governs ordinary actions. Deviation triggers rapid response, and institutional authority strengthens through repetition, visibility, and constant enforcement of compliance standards. Regulated districts, continue beneath uninterrupted. Oversight and control. Secured boundaries preserving through continual review. Monitor route, shape behavior to artifacts.
Reinforced containment corridors extend through silent facility blocks, while steel access gates terminate every visible route. Observation windows reveal isolated chambers beyond thick partitions. Security barriers divide connected sectors.
Automation shutters, boxing area exits behind mechanical restriction. Where structures stand between separated zones.
Surveillance fixtures monitor inactive hallways, and every surrounding boundary contributes to an environment engineered for confinement, isolation, and restricted access. Dominate every accessible direction through uncompromising containment. Every generation corridor reinforce separation throughout kinetics and disappear beneath their security. Tomato selling hit they divided by reinforced partitions while secure chambers operate behind independent containment measures. Coded authorization stations rejected sanctioned travel emergency routes. Terminate at lock barriers, inspection zones, regulate every approved transfer monitoring poles. Oversee restricted circulation, secondary corridors remain inaccessible behind security shutters. And entire complexes function through compartmentalization designed to prevent unrestricted connection, departure, or transition between assigned locations and sectors.
No one got it right, emerges as overlapping restrictions. Strengthen neighbor, containment measures, secure boundaries, reinforce adjacent barriers. Access limitation, remain uncompromised passage. Encounter resistance at every stage in each enclosed zone. Contributes to the wider architecture of separation and confinement throughout the facility.
Isolated sectors continue operating beyond reinforced layers of containment. Security controlled access governs every transition. Restriction fees restriction. Separation.
Fractured over passes like above a banner, loading yards. Rust lit to the line under shifting wave. Broken staircases stilled and exposed. Surface pistol joints burst. Different damage melts suspended platforms. Drop through dust, heavy chambers. Cracked walls, shed jagged fragments. Bury supports, but beneath descending mass and never remaining senses. Brutal straining to the next failing points. Twisted, choking dust and the damage struck right on brain, chambers, brain chambers, concrete pressure shattered, such Special blocks with temporary barriers, bend beneath lengthy contacts. Gather containers, tumble through congested routes. Elevated, walk with sway under concentrated weight. Spotted objects, giving Russian bodies, store from shutters. Rattle from repeating prices, merge into overwhelming noise. And makes around the street and cause another wave of collective force by collision. Urgency and spreading disorder. Separate groups merge into larger formations as density increase beyond manageable levels. Directional guidance loses relevance as civilization disappears from crowded routes. Confusion spreads between converging flows of mounting pressure pushes city toward uncontrolled escalation. And disruption. Section wall fracture railings been beside packed access point temporary fencing collapses beneath repeated contact loose material scattered through turbulent air observation platform lose visibility high shifting bodies can lead competing noise and entire districts descend into confusion the swelling numbers overwhelm every remaining attempt to restore order or coordination. Individual reactions combine into a single unstoppable force. It's crowded formations. Absorb new evolves from every direction. Surrounding obstacles lose influence. Accumulated pressure drives further escalation. Restraint weakens rapidly. Manipulation rest in accumulation.